Vanakkam. Today's recipe is stirred egg dosa. Stirred egg dosa is prepared in a unique way which is entirely different from normal egg dosa. This egg dosa is so soft and thick which feels like sponge. And when you taste it, I'm damn sure you feel mesmerized which you have never tasted it before. Welcome to a4e channel. If you're visiting this channel for the first time, do subscribe our channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. To prepare this sponge egg dosa, we just need a bowl of dosa batter and eggs. I have taken a small cup and added 2 to 3 scoops of batter, 1 egg and salt to taste. Now let's stir nicely so that egg and batter are mixed well without any difference in batter. Our stirred egg dosa batter is ready now. Let's heat a pan or tawa and spray little oil over it. Now I have taken the stirred egg dosa batter and pouring it at the center of the tawa pan. The batter itself spreads out in its own way. Sprinkle some pepper above the batter. Spray little oil around. And allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. One side of dosa is cooked well, so let's turn to the other side and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Now, stirred egg dosa is ready to serve. As I said, this stirred egg dosa is so soft and spongy. This can also be served by cutting it like pizza, which is so thick, and when you taste this feels amazing. I have shown making of one more stirred egg dosa in the same way. Make sure the egg and batter is stirred well for softness and unique taste. This can be a different egg snacks too. Tamil version of the same video, how to make stirred egg dosa, is already been published in the channel. You can find the link in the description or iCard. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Try cooking this recipe and leave a comment. Subscribe to watch my upcoming cooking videos. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Vanakkam.